January feels quiet in the garden and the allotment in the UK, but that is when smart gardeners get ahead down at the plot. Now, I've had my allotment for 20 years now, and at one time I didn't used to come down to the plot in September. I used to pack up and not come back down until January, February time, and I used to be rushing at the last minute to get everything prepared and ready, and I couldn't do any improvements because I didn't have time to be sowing all the seeds in March. And yeah, it used to be a time when I'd be rushing to try and get stuff done, whereas now I'm smart. I use the winter wisely. This year we've had a pretty mild winter, and it's not been frosty. We've not had much snow, and we've had a bit of rain, but not a lot of rain. And I've managed to get loads done down at the plot. I've repaired all my beds, I've tidied all my paths, we've done some improvements, we've put some new arches up on our plot, we've put some new planters in, and yeah, it's all looking in ship shape, ready for the year ahead. And using that time wisely and planning for the year ahead, you're ahead of the game, it's all ready. And January time, you can also use this time as planning and preparing for the months ahead and observing your plot. And it's sometimes, if there's nothing to do, just sit there and have a look at your plot and see what ideas you want to do for your plot, whether you want to change your layout or redesign it or grow something different in some place else. Have a look where there's shaded areas, so you need to know what to grow in the shaded areas, do what's in the light, full sunlight. Observe your plot and see what's working and what's not. I always have a little notepad where I write down where I've grown stuff and how well it's grown, so that I know if I can grow it there another year, not the year after because it'll have taken the nutrients, but a year ahead. So I keep notes of everything that I do down here at the plot, and it's good to keep a diary to see how well things have grown and what varieties you've grown down at the plot. Also, you can spot problems early, and if something's not working, you can change it before it gets too busy in the months ahead. And yeah, it's maybe quiet, there might not be much to do down at the plot, but there's always something that you can look at and just enjoy being out in the peace and quiet and enjoy the relaxation of being in the garden and the plot. Obviously we've had the big bird watch recently, and it's nice just to sit there and watch the birds come to the bird feeders and enjoy them, and think about having more wildlife down at the plot, because wildlife does help. The bees help, the birds help, the frogs help, the hedgehogs help eat all the slugs. So have a look at ways that you can help wildlife in your garden and allotments as well, because they are beneficial. So that is what we're doing during the end of January, observing what we're going to be doing this year, and hopefully we're going to have a good growing year down at the plot this year. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening.